Welcome to the installation video for the Delux ironing board from Sidelines by Rev-A-Shelf. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a level, and a tape measure. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a Delux ironing board, 4 Euro screws, 4 wood screws, 6 machine screws, and a frame. Pull out the frame and swivel into a perpendicular position. Make sure the large head of the piston-like gas spring is positioned on top during installation. If the large head faces down, simply unscrew the 2 screws at the top and bottom of the spring and flip it over before retightening the screws. There is a range in height that is allowable for the frame installation. The top screw hole needs to be between 36 3/4 of an inch and 39 1/8 of an inch from the floor. If the frame aligns with the system holes in the partition, attach using the 4 Euro screws. To install on a flat surface, ensure the top screw hole is 1.5 inches from the front edge of the partition. That same hole must be between 36 3/4 of an inch and 39 1/8 of an inch from the floor. Level the frame and mark 4 hole locations with your pencil. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Align the frame over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the 4 wood screws. Next, secure the ironing board to the frame using the 6 machine screws. The feet are adjustable to ensure your ironing board is properly positioned. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.